Hello, I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the Library, we will be focusing on Budew. So in your craft packet, you will have some Model Magic, a paintbrush, and 4 little pots of paint. You'll have 1 yellow and 3 different shades of green. So the first thing we need to do is just open up our Model Magic, and then we can just play with it a little bit to get it nice and soft and stretchy to where it doesn't rip so easily. When you first get it out, it's going to be kind of stiff and it'll rip, but if you just stretch it and squish it several times, then it will get nice and easy to work with. So we'll do that for a minute, and then I will show you how to form this into a little Budew sculpture, and then we can paint it. So once we get it pretty nice and stretchy, we're going to just roll it up into one big ball, and you can do that in your hands, or you could do it on your workspace. Well, once we have a pretty nice ball, then we are just going to make the feet by pinching on one side and then pinching on the other. And now we can kind of shape these little feet by pinching all around. We just want it to be a little foot that sticks out. We'll do that on both sides. And now I'm going to make mine sitting so it will be easier to paint and to just have around, because it won't stand up very well on these feet. So to make it sitting, all you really have to do is just take your foot that's sticking out and flatten it. And then just kind of pinch a little bit again to smooth it out. And then you can just gently kind of pat around with your fingers. And if you need to squish the ball a little more, then that's fine too. Well, we can also reshape at the end. So there we have our feet. So now we just need to make the part that is going to come up at the top. So we're just going to grab a section close to the top, but we do want to make this a nice little fat piece. So make sure you get a good chunk of your clay coming up here. And then we're just going to shape this into kind of 2 little arms. So I'm just gonna pull it apart where it almost looks like some ears. And then I'm gonna just kind of pinch those sections together on their own on each side so that those become 2 separate extensions. And then they kind of wrap around each other, so we just want to wrap around as best we can there. And then want it to be a little bit curved here on the sides. And whether you have space in the middle or not is up to you. Either way is fine. And then we'll just do some final touch-ups of the circle ball part, the main body. You just gently pat all around wherever it's not so much a circle anymore. Just gently pat it. So we want to end up with basically a ball with some feet that stick out in front and a little extension on the head on top of the ball. And then we just have to let that dry. Now, I would recommend letting it dry for a full day or 2 before painting it. once it is dry, then we can paint. So we'll start with our yellow paint, and we are going to just paint a little circle in the middle of the front of the body, and that will be Budew's little face. And then once we have our little circle for the face, then we can go ahead and paint the little feet, because the little feet are also yellow. And then when we're done with our yellow, we'll rinse out our brush so we can switch to green. Now we will have 3 greens, a kind of medium green, a light green, and a dark green. Your light green and dark green may still need to be mixed up a little bit because we made them by using the green and then adding either white or black to change the shade. So for our lighter green, we don't need very much, so I actually don't think I need to mix mine any further because we just need a little of this one. And it is going to go right at the top of both of our little extensions here. So just all the way around. Paint those tips. And then once that is done, we can go ahead and do our dark green, which again, we won't need very much of. Well, my dark green is very dark because the black is on top, so I am gonna mix this one up a little more because I want it to be dark, but maybe not quite that dark. It's going to go right at the bottom of the yellow face. We're going to make 3 little kind of not quite circular bumps down here. It's kind of like little leaves. And they all just connect, so it's just 3 little bumps in this darker green at the bottom of the yellow face. Now, we probably want to wait for our paint to dry a little while, and then we can take the regular green color and paint all the rest of the body with that. All right, so once we have the rest of him painted, now you can see it's a little streaky, so if you want to wait and let this dry and then do another coat, you should have plenty of paint to do that. It might help make it a little less streaky. But once he's all done, you can either go back to the dark green, or you can just grab a black marker. And to make his face, we just need to make 2 little straight lines on either side of the yellow circle. Those are the eyes. And then a little smile that comes to a point in the middle. And there we go. Then, at least once he's all dry, you'll have your finished little Budew. And again, let him dry, but then you can play with him if you'd like, or put him wherever you want to keep him. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.